How you guys like this look?
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you see in my first video of how I constructed my wig, please don't forget to watch that. I will put the link in the description down below. So right now I'm just gonna install the wig. Let's hope it suits me, guys. Like, I've never ever wear blonde wig before. Like I don't think it's my color, and I don't think it's gonna suit me, especially bangs. I've never done bangs either, so there's a first for everything, and this is gonna be my first. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you guys can get notification every time I put out a video. Alright, so let's get it started. So this is the wig that I did earlier, and as I said, the video is gonna be down below. So you think it's gonna fit me? If you think it's gonna fit me, guys, put it down in the comment down below. I'm waiting. It's gonna be a yes or no. Do you think this color is gonna suit me, this style? Yes or no? Okay. Alright, so let's try it. First time constructing the wig, guys. Like, I've never done it. Like, I've always done like making the wigs and stuff on my head, but I've never actually made the wig itself. So let's see. I hope it fit me, guys. If it doesn't fit me, don't laugh. All right, here we go. Cleared. Awesome. Why? We can't even go on my head, people. Hold on. People don't see this. Why? I don't know how to feel about it, guys. Where's my comb? Hold on. Alright, guys. So I don't know how to feel about this. Like, this doesn't scream the Kola. Hold on. Oh Jesus. Yo, I'm in a friggin' blonde bob cut. Like, I always wear bob cut, but bro, blonde bob cut with bangs. Yo, it's my first time making it. I don't know how to feel. Like, should I feel like a baddie or what? Like, yo. This look like a Kola sweet, or it's a body Kola clad. Yo, don't look under the side, guys. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let's put this. Let's fix this. There we go. But guys, I don't know how to feel. This is so funny. Like, let me give you guys a real close up. Like, what do you guys think? Yay or nay, guys? Yay or nay? Cause me no know. I mean, it makes my eyes kind of pop a little bit, but damn, this color though, maybe like a more brownish, blondish, auburn color. But this, I feel like this color would be like banging on like a dark skin tone. Like a dark skin tone would look so good in this. You know what, guys? I feel like I'm gonna end up dyeing this wig and see. I'm gonna dye it, and in my next video, I hope you guys come back to see how it turns out. I will let you know, because I actually put it good together. Like, it's actually together. Like, it looked good. Like, I did a good freaking job for my first time installing a wig. Like, look at my closure, my fake closure, guys. Like, it's lit. But I think I'm gonna do a dye video. I want to see when I dye it how it will come out, and if it will look better in a different color than this blonde, because I don't know. I don't think the blonde is Kola. It's not Kola sweet, I think. This one is a Kola, no. Kola, no. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to a friend and another friend. And stay tuned and come back to my channel for more videos, because there will be more videos, guys. And guess what? I'm almost at 1,000, and I will be doing a giveaway. Yes, I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to be in the draw for the giveaway, you guys need to follow. So go follow my Instagram at Kola Sweet. Follow my add me on Snapchat at Nicola underscore honey with 2 E's. And you guys need to like this video and share it, and also comment in the description that you've done all, and you will be in the draw. I will be giving away, let's see, you know what, let that be a surprise. I don't know what I'll be giving away yet, guys, but I will be giving away some things when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. See you guys in my next video. I mean, the hair is not too bad now, guys, that I'm actually like kind of feeling myself with these little Snapchat filter. Yeah.